So in this video, we're going to take a look at dividing polynomials. Now, dividing polynomials, please be aware when you look at this section, is a huge section, and all we are concerned with is dividing a polynomial by a monomial, right? So this topic, the only piece of this topic we'll do is dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Okay, a single term. So let me just kind of review a division simplification problem here. So let's say we had 4 plus x divided by, say, 2x. Now that's a monomial here, and that's a polynomial. Of course, in the bottom also, in the denominator also is a polynomial, but its special name is monomial. So in this situation, what we do is simply break the fraction up into two fractions. So in other words, we write this as two fractions like this with the same denominator because it has a common denominator, and then we reduce the two fractions on their own, so it's nothing more to it. So in other words, so over here we can reduce that by 2 and say this is 2 over x, and then over here we use our division rules, and we know that that's x to the 0 over 2, but we know x to the 0 is 1, so 2 over x plus 1 over 2, and that's it. So the key is to break apart the polynomial and put it over the monomial, each piece over the monomial, and then divide each piece out. So another example we can go with is to say, what if we had 6x to the 5 minus 4x to the 4th plus 12x minus 5, all of that divided by 2x squared. Well, again, let's break it up. So first of all, this is 6x to the 5 over 2x to the second minus 4x to the 4th over 2x to the second plus 12x over 2x to the second minus 5 over 2x to the second. Now each one of these simplifies to various different degrees. So let's see, on the first case, 2 into 6 is 3. This into that is, when we subtract out, you get x to the third. Move on to the second one. 2 into 4 is 2, and then over here that's x to the second. This into that is 6, and careful on this, this is x to the minus 1, because after all there's a 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And this here does not simplify at all. Now remember, you can't leave anything with a negative exponent as a final answer, so all you have to do is move that to the denominator and you are done. That's it for dividing polynomials for us.